I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Trezor wallet step by step. Unbox the Trezor, confirm the seal, connect it to your computer, and open the official setup page to start the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install firmware, create a new wallet, and record your recovery seed on the provided card. Keep the seed offline and stored securely, and choose a PIN that you can remember but others cannot guess. Next, we set up your PIN and recovery seed in a calm, clear way. Choose a PIN you can remember, enter it on the device, and confirm it twice. The device will generate a recovery seed. Write each word on the supplied card in the exact order shown. Store that card in a secure, offline location and never photograph or type the seed. Treat the seed like the key to your digital assets and protect it. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long setup sessions with the Owala water bottle I use. It fits most cup holders and keeps you refreshed while you secure your crypto. Check the video description for the link and other deals related to the tools mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now install the necessary coin apps through the device manager and open the app for the currency you want. Verify the receiving address on the Trezor screen matches the address shown in your wallet interface before sending funds. Always send a small test amount first to confirm everything works and to prevent costly mistakes. Once verified, transfer larger balances and consider using multiple accounts for better organization and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.